In this video, I am sharing 7 different ways to make money fast. So whether you are in a bind, need cash fast, or just want some extra spending money, these are methods that you can use to earn cash quickly. Hey, I'm Kellen, a personal finance expert, and on this channel, my wife and I share ways to increase your income, whether it's side hustles, online business, or streams of passive income, so that you can fast track your financial freedom and truly create a life you love. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. All right, number 1 is going to be flipping items that you already have in your possession. So whether it's items in your garage, underneath your bed, in your closet, items around the house that you're no longer using, electronics are awesome for this, that you can flip on eBay, Amazon, or Craigslist. We still do this from time to time. We will find stuff that we no longer use in our house. We will put it up on eBay, put it up on Facebook Marketplace, and earn quick cash doing so. The fastest way to actually get cash in your hand is to sell it on Facebook Marketplace, meet up with the person in a safe location, and get cash for the item. All right, the second way to make money fast is through freelancing. So figuring out what skills you already have and looking for work on places like Upwork, Fiverr.com, or Freelancer.com. Skills that would be included would be graphics design, bookkeeping, proofreading, editing, data entry, freelance writing, general virtual assistant tasks like sorting emails, social media management. There are so many skills that you probably already have and you're probably already doing within your own job that you can take online and find other business owners that are looking to outsource tasks or just looking for some help and earn a really good income from. All right, so I'm back on the computer. I went to Upwork and I'm literally searching freelance writing, and the very first job I have is 30 hours a week, paying anywhere from $35 to $75 per article. That's amazing. And if you're using tools like Jarvis or Surfer SEO, this is going to increase your income tremendously. So freelancing is something I definitely recommend if you're looking for quick cash and looking to use the skills you already have. It's something I did when I quit my day job to replace my income through some digital marketing, through teaching on VIP Kid and tutoring, and that quickly gave me the skills I needed to run my own business and own blog and YouTube channel. So highly recommend it. It's a great way to make quick cash. If you're interested in learning how we quit our jobs and make all of our money working from home for ourselves, you can click the video above to dive into our backstory. All right, the third way to make money fast is through TaskRabbit.com, which basically, again, takes all of the skills that you have, whether you are a handyman or you enjoy cleaning houses or standing in line for others, cleaning people's cars, helping people move, cleaning people's gutters, whatever skills you may have or you enjoy doing, mowing people's lawns, you can find work on TaskRabbit. All right, so I hopped over on TaskRabbit.com here, and as you can see, you can kind of search for the different type of projects that you want to work on: errands, yard work, helping move, assembling furniture, mounting TVs, cleaning, office and home deliveries, fixing and repairing plumbing, planting flowers, gardening. There are so many options, and this is kind of more getting out of the house and doing work with your hands. But you can see there's featured taskers here, and they kind of share and have their own account on what they are capable of doing and what skills they're able to monetize and what we are able to hire them for. So in your local area, you can sign up and start doing some TaskRabbits to earn some awesome cash around your neighborhood and around your community. So if you really don't want to set up an account on TaskRabbit and you want to make money fast, you can also go around your neighborhood and ask your neighbors if there's anything you can do around the house to help them to make their life easier. Maybe it'd be landscaping, mowing, cleaning the gutters, leaf cleanup, picking up dog shit. There's so many different things that your neighbors will be willing to pay for, that we've paid for many times to help out around the house and just give more time back in their life. So if you're really in a pinch, go to your neighbors and ask if you can help. All right, number 4 is testing sites and apps on a site called usertesting.com. This is actually a side hustle that I did in college, and I would make a couple $100s a month. Our user testing is basically taking websites and apps that are brand new, having people that have never seen them before go through and test them out, give real-time feedback so that the developers or the business owners or the website owners can make changes on their site to increase click-through rates, to increase user experience, and just have a better overall experience for the user. All right, so I'm over on usertesting.com, and basically you're gonna sign up for an account. You're gonna take a short quiz, and then you will start getting projects that you can get paid up to $10 per 20-minute test. And sometimes there are even projects that you can talk to the developer, to the website owner, and get paid over $100 for a video conference with them. You're going to basically go through their site, go through their app real time, record yourself, record your audio, and give feedback and answer a survey after you're done. Super quick, and you can earn a good amount of money in a quick amount of time. Hey, I'm about halfway through the video. Make sure you stay until the end where I share the best way to make the most amount of money in the smallest amount of time. And if you're finding this video valuable, please hit the thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. All right, number 5 is going to be starting in the gig economy, whether it's for Uber, transferring people around, DoorDash, delivering food, Postmates, Lyft, Amazon, Flex, delivering packages. So using your car as an asset, going around and delivering items for other people. You can earn anywhere from $15 to $30 per hour, depending on which service and gig economy you get started with. This is a really good one to earn cash fast. You could sign up today and get started probably tomorrow. There will be a background check to make sure there's not some freakos delivering to people's houses. So you gotta make sure that you have a good driving record and you're ready to kind of go through the background check. One thing I do want to mention about this way to make money is that you need to be prepared to track your miles and understand that there is going to be wear and tear on your car and also gas expenses. So it might look like you're making a good amount of money, but really when you factor in all those expenses, your profit is not as high as you would like it to be. So this is a good one to get started. If you're trying to side hustle, you got some extra time, but if you have a tight schedule at work and you really want to get something profitable, I recommend something online, but this, like I said, this is a good one to get you started. All right, the 6th way to make money fast is through affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is finding products and services that you already love and enjoy, becoming an affiliate partner with them, sharing it on social media, marketing that product through a link, and anytime someone converts, so they sign up, they purchase, you will get a small commission from that. All right, the first site I recommend checking out is impact.com. They have so many different brands that you can work with, whether that be DoorDash, Robinhood, Airbnb. These are all of the programs that we are a part of on the platform, and you can take a look. You know, anytime someone signs up for Swag Bucks, we earn $4. Anytime someone signs up for Ibotta, $2. So these are programs that we promote on our blog and on our YouTube channel, and we make a small commission anytime someone signs up. All right, so I recommend picking a niche that you have experience in and education in, whether that be personal finance, health and fitness, gardening, makeup, finding a niche that you can talk about and understand, and you're probably already using the products and services that you can naturally promote on your Facebook page or TikTok, or possibly starting a blog or a YouTube channel. But the best thing about affiliate marketing is it really is starting a business without the difficulty. So a business takes marketing, sales, fulfillment, and operations, okay? And when you do affiliate marketing, all you need to do is do marketing and sales. You need to get people to click on your link and convert. The fulfillment and the operations is already taken care of by the program, which is amazing. That means that you don't need to have any customer service. You're literally just taking a link and promoting it. So super easy to do. All right, so if you want to earn more money per conversion, I would recommend going to ClickBank. You can find all different types of categories here. I'm gonna go in the home and garden one, and you can see the average commission and conversion on this one is $57. So that's what you can expect to make every time you make a conversion. This is $26. This one looks like shed plans, training your dog, ultimate small shop woodworking, the tiny home made easy. So there's a ton of different programs that you can click, and you would basically click promote. You would get a link, and like I said, you would go and promote that. So this one looks like an ebook that you could sell. So like I said, you're gonna find products and services that you are already in love with, that you actually use and understand, and start promoting on your Facebook page, your Twitter account, whatever social media presence you have. Texting it to friends and family, something that can add value to their life. We use affiliate marketing all the time on our blog. I highly recommend starting a blog or a YouTube channel, because that's really going to make it much easier to get into affiliate marketing and to promote your products and services. One example is a program that we have, Proofread Anywhere. Last month alone, we made close to $5,000 promoting it. And that's just one program out of the hundreds that we have. So affiliate marketing definitely works. And when you pair that up with starting an online business and having a platform to market and promote those products, like a blog or a YouTube channel or a podcast, the sky is the limit on how much money you can actually make. If you're interested in starting a blog or a YouTube channel, I will leave links below to help you get started. All right, last but not least is earning ad revenue. Now this one takes a lot of upfront work, and it's more of a passive income stream. It's not something that you can do super quick. It does require you to either start a blog or a YouTube channel or podcast or a TikTok channel, something that you can run display ads on. So for example, I'm on our site here on our side hustle guide, and we have an ad on the sidebar, on our bottom banner here, and also in context. And these are all ads that we earn passive income from month to month. So Without having to do any work, we are earning passive income through our ads on both our blog and our YouTube channel. And to show you how valuable display ads can be, I'll show you we made over $6,000 alone last month in January on our display ads from our blog and on our YouTube channel. This is last year. We haven't posted too many videos, but we earned over $2,400 from display ads. So the nice thing about running display ads is, like I said, it's extremely passive. It does take the upfront effort of starting a blog, picking a niche that you are knowledgeable in, something that you're passionate about, starting to answer people's questions through blog posts, or creating YouTube channels and YouTube videos, answering people's questions in a certain niche that you have experience in. But the sky's the limit. You can monetize through affiliate marketing that we talked about, through display ads, through sponsorship, so you can have a company come in and sponsor a video, and you can also sell your own digital products and services. We sell digital printables and make tens of thousands of dollars per month doing so. I'll see you in our next video where I talk about easy freelance jobs that you can start making money from today. Don't forget to check out the links in the descriptions for anything I talked about today, and grab our Financial Freedom Starter Guide so that you can start creating a life that you love. Peace.